All right. Hey, Trent, thanks for joining us. Pretty excited about the stuff that's coming up in Q3 and all the new stuff. Thanks for being here, man.
Yeah, appreciate it, Eric. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Hey, one of the things that you and I have talked about is about user experience and having a single screen to interface with out on the shop floor for the worker out on the shop floor. How simple is the operator portal to actually use?
Eric, that's a great question. It is an incredibly simple tool to use. But what I don't want our customers to confuse is that simple user interface with a tool that's limited in any way. Because the operator portal is an incredibly powerful tool in the hands of a trained production operator. So the operator portal allows operators to go in and see each and every line that is on their shop floor. So you get the total transparency, a complete view of everything that's going on the floor. And then if the operator wanted to log into a specific line that they're working on, they could go ahead using single sign-on. With a single click, they can go ahead and log into that line and see exactly what's going on that line. So they have all the metrics. They're going to have their production actuals up top. They're going to see the order details up in the upper right-hand corner. They're going to see if there are any quality issues. So they can look at the scrap and the quality metrics. And they can also see production details on this single screen. And from there, they can take all kinds of different actions. So if there's something that happens on the line, let's say it's something small, just like a jam of a machine, the operator could go ahead and do a quick fix. They would go ahead, take care of the issue, get rid of the jam, and then they could go in and log the details about that jam, how long it took, etc. If something happens, it might be a little bit bigger, where they might need a little bit of additional help, say a mechanical issue with one of the machines. They can enlist the help of say a maintenance technician by using a quick dispatch. So they have those two tools right at their fingertips on that same single screen, so they never have to navigate away. They can use that screen all day long, making sure that they're optimizing their throughput and getting everything that they can out of the production line.
Yeah, that's awesome. Being able to have all of that stuff for the operator right there on one single screen. That'll be amazing for them out on the shop floor to be able to access that information right there on their mobile device, just on that single screen. I had heard that there's some AI capability involved in this as well. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, Eric. Yeah, we're really excited about the AI capabilities in the operator portal. So I had mentioned earlier the two buttons, the quick fix and the quick dispatch. So both of those have AI functionality. Let's say if you're clicking on a quick fix, you're going to be presented with a menu of options based upon historical occurrences, such that the operator can just very simply select the duration of the issue, the reason, and the machine, and go ahead and get back to work. They don't necessarily have to click through a lot of screens. They just make 3 quick selections and move on. Same thing's going to happen with the quick dispatch, except in this instance, you're going to be selecting from options that are going to inform the maintenance technician in the case I was talking about where the issue is, which machine it's on, and what the type of issue is, such that maintenance tech has the right amount of information and can pull the right parts, get to the right place, and get your operation back up and running. So we think that the AI functionalities in this tool are really going to speed along the disruption resolution and make sure that we're, again, optimizing production, making sure that we're getting back to work very quickly.
Yeah, anytime that you can reduce the amount of downtime just by making it easier to get the information and do those functions with inside of that downtime, that really streamlines the process a bunch, doesn't it? Yeah. Let me ask you this. I know this is a feature that's coming out. A lot of people may not have this. If I'm a current L2L customer, what do I need to do to get the new operator portal?
Yeah, Eric. So if you're a current customer, you already have L2L Dispatch, which is our real keystone module. So if you're starting off with that L2L Dispatch, you're going to go ahead and add L2L Production. This module is included in this feature is included in our production module. So adding that will give you all the functionality that you're looking for, and you'll be able to, start using the features of the operator portal immediately.
Awesome. Well, I know you're going to be on here in a little bit. We're going to talk a little bit about L2L Connect. So thanks for joining us in this section, and we'll move on. Thanks, Trent.
Appreciate it, Eric.